The brotherhood of Islam is not the universal brotherhood of man. It is the brotherhood of Muslims for Muslims only. There is a fraternity, but its benefit is confined to those within that corporation. For those who are outside that corporation, there is nothing but contempt and enmity. The allegiance of a Muslim does not rest on his domicile in the country which is his, but on the faith to which he belongs. Islam can never allow a true Muslim to adopt India as his motherland and regard a Hindu as his kith and kin, unquote. Who said this? Not me, not you, not a Sanghi, not RSS, not Bhagwat, not Modi, but Dr. Ambedkar. Was he a Sanghi? Rahul, it is written on the wall. These Kashmiris collecting money for the Iranian regime, supporting it, marching in their lakhs for expressing solidarity with this Iranian regime, mourning Khamenei, who abused and insulted India. And they are doing this despite knowing that the same regime killed 30,000 Iranians, its own people, its own men, women, and children, barely a couple of months ago on the streets. How many of these Kashmiri Muslims have ever collected funds for Kashmiri Hindus that were displaced, their homes were taken over, that are still refugees in their own land, 700,000 of them? But let me give you another statistics. Number of Rohingya refugees currently living in USA, 5,000. Europe, 3,000. Jordan, 1,300. Indonesia, 1,200. Canada, 1,100. Japan, 560. Qatar, 20. India, 40,000. Majority of them in Jammu and Kashmir. Qatar, an Islamic republic, has taken 20 Rohingyas. Jordan, Indonesia, other Muslim nations, 1,000 each. And India? But India is a fascist Hindutva nation. But how many Bangladeshi Hindus have we let in over the last year, ever since the Hindu genocide in Bangladesh began? Zero. Remember how Indian Muslims united and indulged in Azad Maidan protests and riots to force the Indian government to take in Muslim Rohingya refugees from Myanmar? Well, it resulted in us ultimately taking in those 40,000 Rohingya Muslim refugees. It is another matter that no one from the Indian Muslim community ever united to force the Indian government to settle 7 lakh Kashmiri Hindus who were driven out from their own homes. Anyhow, all Hindus remember Azad Maidan. But do we? It is our fault. Do we remember Khamong Sheikh? We don't. It is a place in Myanmar where Muslim Rohingyas murdered more than 100 Hindus and their families mercilessly, raped, pillaged, even buried some Hindus alive. Many among those Rohingya Muslims who committed to atrocities might even right now be in India as refugees. But as I said, no Hindu ever came out to talk about Khamong Sheikh. All we do is get jealous of Indian Muslims uniting for Rohingya Muslims, Iranian regimes, Palestinian Muslims. Rahul, if you are jealous of someone else's unity, it means you are divided.